This project redesigns LinkedIn's job application tracking experience. The problem I focus on is that LinkedIn currently shows applied jobs mostly as plain list, which makes it hard for users to understand status, track follow-ups, and manage multiple applications at once. My final design addresses that by turning that experience into a clearer, more actionable tracking system. Here is the final prototype. The main interface is a canvas-style board with four columns: applied, interviewing, offer, and rejected. At the top, there's a stats bar that shows the total applications in pipeline, application interviews scheduled, and follow-ups due. Each card includes the company name, application date, and optional priority marking, like here. If a job has been sitting for more than 14 days without a response, the card shows a red follow-up due pill. The first task is viewing application status. In the current LinkedIn design, users have to scan a flat list and remember what each application means. In my design, that stats bar gives an immediate summary, and column layout makes status visible at a glance. This reduces recall and makes the overall state of the job search much easier to understand. The second task is updating an application stage. For example, if I just completed the first round interview, I can drag this cards from apply to interviewing. So for example, if I just finished interviewing with Google, I can take Google and drag it right here. Well, if it works, to the interviewing. Okay, let's choose Amazon. Okay, just like I did that, I just dragged Amazon from apply to interviewing. So now I know that I'm at this stage um, with Amazon. The movement is direct and visible, so the user gets immediate confirmation that the stage changed. This was one of the strongest aspects of the Kanban direction during evaluation, so I kept it as the foundation of the final design. The third task is follow-up support. One of the biggest gaps in LinkedIn's current design is that users have no built-in reminders or signal to follow up. In this prototype, overdue application or surface directly in context with a follow-up due um, pill indicator on the card itself. That means users do not need a separate spreadsheet or notes app just to remember who needs attention. The final version is a hybrid of the best ideas from my earlier alternative. The dashboard concept contributed the summary stats bar, the Kanban concept contributed the clear pipeline structure, and the reminder concept contributed follow-up visibility. Together, they support three main tasks from one screen: reviewing status, updating a stage, and identify follow-up needs. In HSCI terms, the prototype focuses on visibility recognition rather than recall and direct manipulation. It makes the job search pipeline easier to read, easier to update, and easier to manage over time. Overall, the goal is to reduce cognitive load and help users stay organized after they apply, which is something LinkedIn currently doesn't support well. Thank you guys for listening.